most part of the students, as always, I think already has reduced our work. You all know about Ramayana, you said. Very happy. That is one of the important parts of our culture, important part of our culture that we learn from our ancestors, all these things without any much effort. So can anyone volunteer and tell me what are the khandas of Ramayana? In order as much as possible.
Madam?
Yes, please.
Balakanda, Ayodhya Khanda, Aranya Khanda, Kishkinda Khanda, Sundara Khanda, Yuddha Khanda, Uttara Khanda.
Very nice. So the story starts with the Balakanda. I think most of you will be familiar with what is happening in Balakanda. It ends with Sita Kalyana Ghatta. So Rama and Sita are enjoying their Grihastha Dharma. That is where Balakanda is ending. Let us give you a quick, brief recap of Balakanda, so that those who already know, maybe if you know something else, you can always share it in the class, and those of you who don't know can benefit from this. So please bear with me if it's kind of getting repeated for some of you. So the very first sloka of Balakanda. Tapaswadhyaya niratam tapasvi vakvidambaram naradam paripapracha valmikir munipungavam. What according to you is the best way to gain knowledge? If you want to learn something from someone, what is the first step that we would be doing? Any one of you?
We have to put concentration on that subject.
Very nice. We have to put our full concentration on the subject. Next.
We should listen properly about the subject and gain knowledge.
Very nice. We should not sleep in the class. We should not distract ourselves in the class, and we should listen it with full effort. Very nice. Next.
We have to give respect firstly for that subject. Yes. And who teaches that subject.
Very nice. We have to give the respect to the subject and respect to the teachers, which is an integral part of our Indian culture. You cannot see that much in the Western culture. Very nice. Anybody else is going to answer? Okay. One other way is to ask questions. If you don't know something, ask questions, and ask those questions to the right person also. That is a very important step, right? That is what Valmiki Maharishi is doing here. He is asking a very important question to sage Narada. That is the very first shloka of this Valmiki Ramayana. Tapaswadhyaya niratam tapasvi vakvidambaram naradam paripapracha. He is asking questions to Narada. Valmiki Munipungavam. He is one of the great rishis of great rishis. So Valmiki is posting a question to Narada Maharishi. So what is he asking? He's asking a few things to Narada. Let us see what all he's asking. Anybody knows it already? If anybody knows, please go ahead.
Who give respect to elders?
That is Harshita, right? Anything else, yes, Harshita? He's listing a few qualities and he's asking Narada, I want to see a person, I want to know about a person who has all these qualities in him. We all will be inspired by someone in our life, right? It might be your own teachers, it might be someone in your family, it might be your siblings, it might be your parents, it might be sports celebrities or anybody, right? He might be in politics, he or she might be in politics, social service, anything. So, but I don't know if there is a possibility to see all the good qualities in one person, right? Everybody will have their own weaknesses. Everybody will have their own strengths. So it's always like a swan, right? We should always take good qualities from others and just ignore all the other bad or weaknesses in other person. It is not our duty to go and question why is he having that weakness, because we ourselves are filled with a lot of weaknesses. So it is not our duty to go and ponder on that. So we take all the good qualities from others and just move on in our life. But here Valmiki is listing a certain number of qualities, and he says all these qualities should be in that person. And not only that, that person should be in my present time. In my current time, I should be able to go and see him. I should be able to go and talk with him. I should be able to move with him. You please tell me about that kind of a person. So let us see what qualities Valmiki was asking Narada. Konvasmin sampratam loke gunavan kascha viryavan. He should be with virya. He should be a Viran, right? He should be with the prowess. Dharmajnascha, Kritajnascha, Satyavakyo, Dridavrataha. He should be a knower of Dharma, Kritajnaha. He should be filled with gratitude. Satyavakyaha. He should be a Satyavak person. Then he should be with Dridavrataha. Whatever he takes, he should have a resolution to complete it. That kind of a Dridavrataha he should have. Then Charitrena cha koyuktaha, Sarvabhuteshu kohitaha. He should be of good character. Sarvabhuteshu kohitaha. He should think of good and he should do good to every single person, not only humans. He should be able to do good to everyone around him, everything around him. Doing good to not only humans, right? We should do good to the nature also, or else nature has its own way to show it back to us, right? We have been seeing a lot of things currently. So Sarvabhuteshu kohitaha. Everything we should do good to everything. That kind of a person. Vidwan kakka samartascha kaschaika priyadarshanaha. He should be a vidwan. He should be a samartan, like he should be a capable person. Then kaschaika priyadarshanaha. As we should keep on seeing him, but he should still be pleasing. Take a celebrity, right? So a sports celebrity or movie celebrity or anybody in politics, how long we can keep on seeing him or her? At one stage, we all get bored, right? Whether it be a movie, whether it be a story, there is a limit for everything. But the person I am asking for, he should be kaschaika priyadarshanaha. He should always, I'll keep on seeing, but he should still be pleasing to me. Atmavan ko jitakrodaha dyutiman ko nasuyakaha. He should be Atmavan, that he should be a self-realized person. He should know what he is. Jitakrodaha dyutiman ko nanasuyakaha. He should not be jealous of others in his life. He should be a very bright person, like a effulgent person. He should be dyutiman. Kasya bibari devasya jataroshasya samyuge. And he should be able to have that kind of an anger, the anger which even the devas or even anybody in this world will get scared. We all say, if I get scared, you know what will happen? That is a very famous dialogue for ourselves, right? We all keep telling that. But is there anybody who is going to get scared? Maybe one or two, not more than that, right? But the person I am asking for, if he gets angry, the whole world should get scared of him. That kind of a person. So Valmiki is listing all these qualities and he's asking Narada Maharishi, you please take me, or you please tell me about that kind of a person who will have all these qualities. And also one more condition he has put is, he should be in my current time, in our current time. I should be able to go and see him and move with him now if I want. So every story has its own way of introducing the hero of the story, right? So hero of Ramayana is none other than our great Lord Rama. So this is going to be the introduction of Rama in the story. That is how the Balakanda is starting. The Balakanda in itself is in quest of knowledge. As I said, the very important thing to reach out for more knowledge is to ask questions, ask questions, ask questions. We don't limit ourselves, right? There is a Vachanam in Tamil which say, Kattradu kaiman alavu. What we know is only this much. Everything in this world is, right, what we don't know. So now Valmiki is asking, He's going in quest of knowledge. He's searching for knowledge, and the very right person is Narada, because he is the one. In fact, Valmiki is telling, you know about everybody in this world, you know about everyone in this world, you know what is happening everywhere in this world. So you are the right person to tell me about this particular person. So you please, you shower your blessings on me, and you please tell me about this person. This is the first 4 or 5 shlokas of Balakanda. This is the starting of Valmiki Ramayana. And this is how Valmiki is posting the question. Let us see what Narada is going to reply to Valmiki in the next class. That will be our hero's introduction in the story. Okay.